You love people more than you love your family. You rather listen to people. If people tell you things that I'm farmer them for that first thing. When you chat about Timothy Price farm, you don't go man. You see me? Don't stop carrying yours and rumor. Say me this and me that. You know me, you grow me. You know my family them. You know my mother, you know my father. You know grow me, my brother. When I go on in farm, I just want to know who I am farm and that. And so I find out, I just want to know where blood clot can find your pussy. Dead. Boy, you're a chat boy, man. You go man. I love chat boy. You don't see my name, I go up, man. I'm not for do no chatting. You see me? I say I stay. I run place. Place not run way. I go. Boy, you're in farm, I go tell my people them boy I and I. You know I and I? Go and keep watch me, here. You see how me I live in Nigeria. When you go you live life like me. A boy you have something for chat boy, go and chat boy me man. See me there I'm up here, chat boy me I bum here. Chat boy me I'm up here. You can't do that because you can't see me. I said I'm more run in Jamaica here because they yesterday and tomorrow I'm gone different place. You stay there pussy. When you go and watch me here. But that pan watch list at Jamaica. So, no matter to me, they say me. You can chat about me, come and think I go up. I'm too jealous. Who say that? I take man for you that. Look upon them places. When I can't live life like me. I say me, I come out and get time, I'm going to listen to life at Jamaica. Right to the top. I'm not stop. Until I'm rich, what am I for rich in my life? When I go, I enjoy my life at Jamaica. Here, take it from me. There's no place on the earth like Jamaica. Here, a paradise this. Look on them places, up there. So white people have to come in at them places. All them places they can get good ganja for go and burn. All them things there. You see me? Yeah, man, real thing. Yeah, man.